Hey Dad,
Ooh, what's up, boy?
you friend need some help?
Alright. The most problem or the issues with the newbie or the beginner is the camera was unoperated when they first start. The prevent is very easy. So you need to know how the camera you store or how you keep your camera. I do separate part by part. I keep the film bag separately, the camera body and the lenses, because of I need to check my camera first before I assemble or before I connect it to each other. The rear protection cover is very useful for kept separately. The front body cover is very useful as well. First, I have to check the camera operation by checking like this. All right, the rear hinge is worked properly. Okay, and the mirror lockup here, okay, should be work smartly as well. Okay, this is for the body. When you open the rear protective cover and see your curtains, your camera bag's curtain up here, you just remove from T to O, because your camera will be switched from the O to T position accidentally. You have no worry, you just turn the position back from T to O here like this. Okay, your camera will be worked properly again. The second is to check the film bag. Red color for the film indicator, no film on this. Okay, so it's safe to reset the film counter window starting at number 0. To check how the film magazine work properly or not, it's just winding. All right, now it's worked. If it doesn't stop at the first frame, it means the film bag needs some service. And here is the dark slide holder, so it's good for keeping here. Okay, right. Film indicator to indicate depends on the film you use by putting here. Okay, the next is to check the lens. Okay, to make sure it's a wide open shutter like this, the light through the lens here, the lens is safe for insert or put into the body. Now is to checking the lens is working properly or not. Okay, the speed of the lenses by point through the lightings without a film back like this, checking first. All right, check the speed. You have to check the all speed. You have to check the camera operation to make sure the shutter speed is worked properly. Okay, all right, you can release. Please keep in mind that if you are pressed, you cannot put the lens into the body. Some problems, some user or some of my friends try to put the lens in, but please do not do this. Rewinding. You have to rewinding the shutters inner than the mirror in the lower positions before you put the lens in like this. The first protection before you have the problem with your camera by checking the film back, the lens speed, and the camera body is working. Enjoy your photo shootings. See you next clip. Bye.